So this is GATE Statistics question number 37. It's a math question which says look at the following two infinite series and say which of the following are conditionally convergent. S1 is given to be n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n by n square plus 4, and S2 is minus 1 whole power n root out of n square plus 1 by n. So first let us look at S1 equal to summation over n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the n by n square plus 4. So I will check what happens to the tail of the series. So you check, you know that fx equal to x by x square plus 4. This is a continuous function on the positive real axis, and this is also smooth, and f dash x, this is equal to x square plus 4 x, and the numerator x square plus 4 minus x times 2x. So what you get x square, here it will be a square, x square plus 4 minus 2x square by x square plus 4 whole squared. So that said, this is 4 minus x squared by x square plus 4. I want this to be monotonically decreasing. So it is monotonically decreasing if and only if this is less than or equal to 0. That means 4 minus x squared, this is less than or equal to 0. So if and only if x squared is greater than or equal to 4, if and only if x is greater than or equal to 2. I am considering only the positive real axis. So in our case, our n will be greater than or equal to 2. Then you see that this sequence n by n square plus 4, this is monotonically decreasing, and it decreases to mod n, this is equal to n by n square plus 4, which is less than or equal to n by n squared, which is equal to 1 by n, goes to 0. So now you apply Dirichlet's theorem or Abel's theorem to say that a summation over n equal to 0 to infinity, this an is convergent, because I have shown that summation over n equal to 2 to infinity an, this is convergent, and hence minus 1 whole to the power n times this, using Dirichlet of convergence. So first one is conditionally convergent. Now second one, S2 equal to minus 1 whole to the power n, summation n equal to 0 to infinity, hotels, root over of n square plus 1 minus n, root over of n square plus 1 minus n. Now you look at an equal to root over of n square plus 1 minus n. So this is also equal to root over of n square plus 1 plus n, then a square minus b square, multiplying both the side, both numerator and denominator by this number root over of n square plus 1 plus n, then you get a square minus b square on the numerator, so 1 by root over of n square plus 1 plus n. Now this is again less than, so this you can check, this guy decreases to 0. So again by Dirichlet test, this summation minus 1 whole to the power n equal to 0 to infinity n, this is convergent. So both are convergent, conditionally convergent. So option C